Hello everyone, this is Nancy with our treasure home. Go ahead and subscribe, like, and ring that bell for notifications so you'll know the next time we upload a video. I am trying something different today. I took my SD card out to see if that is the issue for me loading videos from my phone to my YouTube. So here we go. This is our tomatoes. They are coming in really good. So, oh, I see one right down at the bottom that's red. I don't know if y'all can see it. There it is. We get to pick it. This is my England primrose right there. Tamales. I got a lot of blooms and nothing else. We shall see. This is cypress vine, and they are getting ready to bloom right there. My corn, poor corn. I have no idea. This is the first year I've planted corn, so we'll see. We live and learn. This was supposed to be my roses from last year. Yeah, that's not a rose, and I don't know what that is. However, somehow it jumped over and went into this pot right there. This is what's supposed to be onions right there. I don't know that either. I planted some okra in this one. So we got 1 and 2 over in the back growing. I've got some lemon balm that's starting to come up right there. This is my sunflower, and it's starting to open up. It is so beautiful. This is Brussels sprouts. Something that ate it. I have sprayed and sprayed. Yeah, I still don't see no Brussels sprouts. I've checked. Oh, maybe a little one right there. That'd be so cool to see. These are my zinnias. I've done a bunch of reels on, if you go to my Instagram, you'll see all the things I've done with these flowers. They're just so pretty. Some more are getting ready to open up. Strawberries, yeah, I don't know. I'll just have to wait and see. These are supposed to be aloha peppers. I think that is right there. These over here. It might be a different pepper because that's the same pot I planted regular peppers in last year. Yeah, they didn't do anything. This right here is going to seed, but these were my chives. This, I don't know. If y'all know what it is, let me know, because this is going to bloom and have yellow flowers. And then over here, I'll do that one last. This is a spearmint, and here are the daisies. And then a hodgepodge of things. So these were the yellow flowers that were supposed to be lavender, but not lavender. I still have not figured out what that is. And this nice little thing, I don't know, but it's pretty cool. So here is something that's very interesting. In this planter right here, I planted snapdragons here, here, and here. Yeah, y'all see that? That's not a snapdragon. They skipped over and went to the bucket. I don't know how or anything, but they are beautiful. This is what I thought they were going to look like last year. And they, oh my goodness. We are just completely amazed. Look how beautiful they are. And then there's other things growing in this bucket. We shall see what they are. But yes, this is, I moved everything in the back that was up front, which was the tomatoes. And then these 3 planters just didn't seem like they were doing well in the front. So I don't know if there was not enough sun or what it was. But that is what's going on. Hot, sunny, supposed to rain today. Yeah, right now it doesn't look like we're going to get any rain. So they've got some nice ordering done today. So, listen to the birds. Hold on, maybe I can get this. There is something in the tree. And if it's the dead leaf or leaves in the tree, it means we need rain. So, y'all give us a shout. Leave a comment below, and we'll see you next time on Our Treasure Home.